Hi everyone, today we're going to show you how to make tabbouleh. It's a Mediterranean salad and we're going to show you how to make this simple recipe. Take 125 grams of bulgur and soak it in 500 ml of cold water for 15 minutes. Drain with the fine mesh sieve and press with the back of a spoon to remove most of the water. Now add 2 tablespoons of finely sliced shallots. Mix it in while pressing with the back of a spoon. Take a flat container and cover it with 2-3 tissue paper. Transfer the bulgur to it and now spread it evenly. Let it dry for some time. Transfer it to a bowl and set it aside. Take 2 medium-sized tomatoes and remove the top part. Make 2 small cuts at the bottom and let it boil in hot water for 10 seconds. Take it out and let it cool. Peel off the skin . And remove the seeds . Dice the tomatoes and then keep them aside. Now take Italian parsley and cut off the stem. Coarsely chop the leaves and put it in a bowl. Now for the dressing, in a bowl, add 60 ml of olive oil, 30 ml of lemon juice and whisk it together. Add half teaspoon of ground black pepper along with 1 teaspoon of salt. And now mix it in. Now add all the contents into a bowl along with 3 tablespoons of chopped mint leaves. Mix it all together . And now add the dressing. Mix it well again. Cover and chill it for at least 1 hour before serving. For more info, check out the description box below. Thank you for watching.